Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Let us start our day with a beautiful quote. Great things never came from comfort zones. It means if you want to achieve great things, then you have to go beyond your comfort zone. When you choose to remain in your comfort zone, then you will never see your progress. Okay, children? Now, today we are going to see a poem. So, this poem is about a cat. A cat is a domestic animal. We keep it as a pet in our house. The girl in the poem has a cat as a pet animal. This poem tells us how the girl takes care of a cat and spends her day with her. So, now this is our poem. Poem 1.6 I love little pussy. So, first we will listen, sing and act. So, first we will recite the poem. Okay. So, we will start the poem. Poem 1.6 I love little pussy. I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm. And if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail, nor drive her away. But pussy and I very gently will play. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. So, children, this is our poem I love little pussy. Now we will see the explanation of this poem one by one. So, see the first two lines. I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm. So, the girl says she loves her little pussy. Pussy is the name of her pet cat. The girl touches the cat's body and says her coat is so warm. Now, coat means soft fur that covers the body of the cat. So, the girl says her cat's body is so soft and warm. It is so cozy. It is so warm. Now, the next two lines. And if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. It means if the girl doesn't harm her, if the girl doesn't harm the pussycat will not harm her in any way. She is not going to hurt her. She is not going to harm anyway. Now see the next line. So I will not pull her tail nor drive her away. So now what the girl is saying? The girl says she will not pull her cat's tail. Can you see in the picture? See this picture? In this, someone is pulling her tail. But what she is saying? She will not pull her tail. She will not irritate her. Irritate means to make her angry. And nor the girl will get rid of the cat. Drive away. Drive away means to force someone to leave the place. So she is not going to pull her tail and she is not going to drive her away. She is not going to force him to leave the place. Now see the next lines. But pussy and I very gently will play. Now what she is saying? But she is not going to harm anyhow. But they both will play together softly, kindly and quietly. Gently means kindly. So they are going to play with each other very slowly and quietly. I will sit by the fire and give her some food. Lastly, the girl says she will sit by the fire to get her body warm as well as of the cat. After that, she will give some food to the cat. Okay? And Pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. So the girl is going to give her some food and the cat will definitely will love it because the girl is very gentle, good and a kind girl. So really the girl, now see, I love my little pussy very much. So really the girl loves her pussycat very much. So children, what we have learned from this poem? That we have learned that always take care of your pets. We should never trouble any pet. Okay children? Now we will see the new words of the poem. The first word is, repeat after me, WARM, warm. Warm means it is between hot and cold. Not hot, not cold. Then the next word is HURT, hurt. Hurt means to hurt anyone. HARM, harm. Harm means to trouble someone. Then the next one is DRIVE, drive. Drive means to force somebody to go away. GENTLY, gently. Gently means kindly. FIRE, fire. You know the meaning of fire? Aag. In Hindi we call it as aag. TAIL, tail. So these are the new words of this poem. Now see, listen and repeat the rhyming words. Now we will see the rhyming word. Now what are the rhyming word? Rhyming words are the words with the same sound. The first one is warm and harm. The next is away and play. Do you have a pet? What is its name? So, do you have any pet? So, if you have pet, you will say yes, I do. If you don't have, you will say no, I don't have. And if you have, we will give a name. Yes, I have a pet dog and his name is Moti. Now, the next question is, tell a few sentences about your favorite animal. Okay, now we will talk about a pet dog. Okay, so my favorite animal is the dog. Dogs are friendly. They wag their tails when they are happy. They also guard the house. They bark if robbers came near the house. They keep us safe and I love my dog. So, in this way, you can also prepare few lines on your favorite animals. Now, it's your homework time. Homework, recite and write the poem in English copy number 1. Children, you have to write the poem given on page number 12. You will first write down the date, then CW, then the name of the poem, 1.6 I love little pussy, and then you will write down the complete poem. So this is for your homework and you have to recite the poem also. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.